kuya. I don't know how to speak English. I understand English, but I don't know how to speak it. mm. My name is Mary Jean T. Hapon. I'm 28 years old and I am married. I have 2 kids and I live in Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental. And I am a housewife. Tirang bahay lang. And I got married in the age of 18. And that's all. Oh my G, it's very hard to speak English, kuya. Ay, hanapin ko pa yun. Yan lang po.